Okay, so this is the smart alarm. This is a Wi-Fi smart alarm system that I bought from AliExpress. This one comes with two remotes, three door sensor, two motion detector. Let's see how it works. Okay, so while we plug this one in, we got to hold this one to hold it for 5 seconds until it's blinking.
Please use the Smart Life app for the Wi-Fi configuration.
So it's blinking now. The adding the Wi-Fi, we have to go into gateway control. So what we need to do is to go to wireless gateway. Now we're going to have to add the 2.4 gig Wi-Fi, okay, and the password. Then you go next. So when it's connected, it will tell you that it is connected. So this one is it's not very clear, but that's how you have to connect it to the home Wi-Fi first before we do anything else. So the detector here, they have the battery inside. So we pull this one out and we can try it. We need to turn it on, switch it to on. So we put them together and we yank it out. It should learn. Okay, so to add a sensor, we need to go to the app, and then we're gonna go to accessory and click the plus sign so we can add the new sensor. Then we're gonna activate the sensor for it to learn, and after it's activated, the device will add successfully and we have a new sensor. Okay, so this is my $36 alarm. Okay, the alarm is simple. When we turn on the Tuya and we set away. Now, if the door is open, so it will tell you that one of the sensors was triggered and the alarms go off. So we can delete the alarm and then it will turn itself off, and then you can turn it on again. To use this, we have to go to the App Store and we have to get the Tuya alarm. So when you get the Tuya Smart alarm, you will open it. Then you have to register with Tuya. So you use your email address and then you register with them. So they will monitor everything for you, but actually you don't really have to buy the storage or anything like that for it to work. When you add something into the Tuya Smart alarm, like I added a camera, so it's kind of nice, all right? And this is the alarm, so I'm going to add more camera, so every time the alarm is triggered, I can look at the camera. We need to have the Tuya. One more thing good about this one is that we also can share the app. Everybody in my home with a smart alarm, they will have this app also. Share device right here. So you can share this device with other people.